Do you ever get frustrated by drivers who seem to have absolutely no lane discipline? Well, get ready for the Road Rage Chronicles, where we unleash the chaos caused by laneless idiots on our streets. Picture this: you're driving down the road, minding your own business, when out of nowhere, a car swerves into your lane without even signaling. It's like they're playing a game of bumper cars out here. But it doesn't stop there. These dumb drivers have zero awareness of their surroundings. They drift from lane to lane, cutting off innocent motorists and causing mayhem. It's enough to make your blood boil. And it's not just the lack of lane discipline that's infuriating. These reckless drivers also have a complete disregard for speed limits. They zoom past you, honking their horns as if they're auditioning for a race car driver role. Do they not realize that the roads are for everyone, and we all have a responsibility to drive safely and responsibly? Unfortunately, they don't seem to care. They're too busy talking on their phones, applying makeup, or simply daydreaming behind the wheel. It's time for a reality check, folks. We need to educate these laneless idiots and remind them of the importance of lane discipline and road safety. So, the next time you encounter a driver who thinks they own the road, remember that it's up to us to be the responsible ones. Let's make a pledge to drive with lane discipline, follow the rules of the road, and always be aware of our surroundings. Together, we can put an end to the chaos unleashed by these laneless idiots. Thanks for watching the Road Rage Chronicles. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening videos on road safety. Stay safe out there.
这种行为是绝对禁止的，超时劳动是损害人类健康权或禁止的。这点我认为更应该增加管理力度下去。
你怎么走的你？你怎么走
哦，嗯，
不要一次不中。
好听，我
我先把你们听完。
让你不听话，看看你这个垃圾！
哎哎哎！
你绕远了。
我的得多少钱呀？
哎呦嚯！哎呦！
嘿。
我给他把你扔到这儿了。
啊，报道去了。
然后呢？哎呦我天！
咔！
我的天呀！
差一点点，这个货拉拉简直就是个二球。
就是个二球，撞上没？撞上没？